Hello, I have one trade on Nasdaq and here is a breakdown. Yesterday we confirmed the QM here, and once we confirmed the QM we have the range from here to here, and then I was the bearish until we reach here to the decisional order block, and here I was expecting maybe we will go to make the new high, but it failed. When it failed, then I was expecting the price will go all the way down to the extreme order block here, but market closed here, and after market close Google released their earnings and market just flushed down, and today market opened and we opened the gap lower. Market during Asia session it did nothing but just filled the gap. Once it and this fill the gap is also previous day low basically, and above this we have nothing, we have just the empty space. So that's why I was not expecting the price will go above to this level to take the liquidity, and if it goes here it means it will not go in just one line, then it will go something like this. If it takes this liquidity then maybe continue to make the new high, something like this. Otherwise if market doesn't want to go higher, there is no reason the market will come here all the way to this area. So that's why I was looking this level, and I went to the 1 minute time frame. We don't have the textbook entry here, but I entered. So sometimes we just can't find the textbook trade, but still if we understand our idea why we want to enter in the market, we can enter, no problem. This is where we have the change of character, and this is the previous day low and also the gap fill, this area. And here I didn't enter here basically, I entered when market broke another structure, and now actually we have the range from here to here, and this range will confirm when we have a QM. But I was a little bit in a hurry that I thought that I don't know that if it will reach here to confirm the QM or even to take some internal range liquidity. I just entered here on this candle because the risk was not too big, because I calculated the risk that if I enter here and even if the market goes higher to take the internal range liquidity and then comes down, what is my risk? If the risk was not too big, it's like just 10 points, 10 and a half points risk. So this is a very small risk on Nasdaq. So that's why I just violated my own rules. Even the QM on both sides were not confirmed, and this side is confirmed, the range is not confirmed from this side. And we even didn't take the internal range liquidity, but I still entered. And I just targeted 5 hour here, and this was a quick trade. And this 5 hour was just a little below the Asian range low. So that's why this I didn't take the rules, but the trade is still there. And if anybody is interested what Google did, Google closed yesterday at this price 151.46, and then after market close we have the earnings. So market just flushed A market means Google just flushed like 7%. And today we are going to open to this level. Okay, today we are going to open at this level. And if you see that we have the range from here to here, and then maybe the market will just open here and take this internal range liquidity, and then maybe it will go to the external range liquidity. I'm watching Google very closely. Maybe I will enter somewhere here and stop loss just here. And if you see the last time when the Google they released the earnings, the same thing happened. It took what? The internal range liquidity, and we have the range from here to here. And then it just entered from this order block 50%, and this was the stop loss, and this will be the external range liquidity. But if you are wondering that why not this range, you are very right. From here to here. So if we have the data like this, we just go one time frame higher. And from the daily, we have the weekly one time frame higher. And you see here, this is the range and this is the range, right? And market just took the internal range liquidity, and then what it did, it just took the external range liquidity. So this is not the QM. On the daily time frame, this is the QM, but on the weekly time frame, it is what? The external range liquidity. Sorry, on the weekly time frame, it's just the internal range liquidity. So I'm expecting the same thing this time again, maybe just below this low. Somewhere I will enter on the lower time frame, maybe 15-minute time frame, as long as we don't violate this low. So this is my range, and I will target 153.78. Okay, thank you.